What does it mean, heavy metal? Who knows? Okay. The formula is that this particular mineral, the weight, atomic weight, should be 5 times the gravity mass of water. So if you take a bucket of water and a bucket of first heavy metal, it should be 5 times heavier than a bucket of water. So basically, but to explain it like this, minerals are made by stars. That's undeniable fact. And basically, when a star comes near to its life, especially supernovas, our sun, thanks God, is a feeble star. It's a secondary star. It's made from ashes of previous giant stars called blue giants, which exploded with tremendous force, creating a phenomenon called supernova. Only supernova, stars that go supernova, can create heavy minerals. Because remember how it goes, it started from hydrogen, helium, lithium, and so on, and so on, and so on. Our sun cannot produce minerals heavier than iron. It simply doesn't have enough guts. Its nuclear reaction is not as strong. But when the supernova, much bigger star, and also when supernova explodes, it starts changing iron into heavier elements and stopping at uranium, which is the heavier one. Of course, there are heavier elements than uranium, but they're synthetics. They're man-made. That you take uranium, you enrich it, you nuke it, you fiddle with it, and you get monsters like californium, einsteinium, americanium. The names suggest where it comes from. Either Russian or American nuclide. Kurchatovium, from academic Kurchatov. He also was a nuclear scientist, and so on. Those minerals are heavier, okay, than iron, but then uranium, sorry, but they're not natural minerals in that respect. So all those substances here, arsenic is a heavy metal, so is, of course, here's a little trace of uranium, of course, cadmium, lead. Aluminium is not a heavy metal. In fact, aluminium is one of the lightest ferrous iron-like, ferrous metals, and it's good because airplanes fly, you know. But aluminium is incredibly toxic. Its toxicity is less caustic. Its toxicity is less invasive. Imagine heavy fluid mercury, which is at room or body temperature, is in a liquid form. Just drilling through our tissue, it's literally, mercury goes through tissue literally like knives through, hot knives through butter. Okay? It's drilling through it. Aluminium doesn't do it. It deposits on the bone and interferes with calcium, magnesium. It can cause significant osteomalacia symptoms and so on. But the main problem with aluminium, it damages nerve system and the brain. Why? Aluminium has unique electrical conductivity properties. In Russia, they have power lines not from copper but from aluminium. It's not as strong, it's not as effective, but it works. So what it does, it interferes with magnesium, which is responsible for overall, roughly saying, electricity in the body. Okay? That's why there is definitely no doubt anymore that aluminium can cause dementia.